To customize the web chat, go to Configuration and Setup at the top. Here you can enter a channel name, which can be used for internal categorization if you use several web chats. This makes it easier to assign the right web chat to the right team later on. With the setting Web Chat Notifications in Widget, you can see notifications that are displayed in the web chat itself in different languages, as in this example. With the setting Web Chat Notifications in Team Channel, you can find the notifications that the web chat sends to Microsoft Teams in different languages. You select the language for notifications which are sent by the web chat to your team channel on your own. Next, let's take a look at the Start form. Here we can make important settings to get information from visitors who use your website and use the web chat. At the top, you can enter an introductory text to give visitors the best possible welcome when they start the web chat. By checking the Activate box, you can find this field in the widget. This enables selecting the name, type, and placeholder. For example, you activate the checkmark for email, so you have integrated an email query. Now you would also like to add a customer number query to be able to assign customers more quickly. Simply click on Activate in the next field and enter the customer number. It is better to enter an example number at the end of the placeholder. The placeholder is like a short information that should help the web chat customer to quickly enter the right number. By saving the changes, the Start form would look like this. At the bottom, we can activate the privacy policy. If you only want to link one word, then the code tags have to be written as follows. I accept the open curly brackets, URL, close curly brackets, and then privacy policy. Then open curly brackets again, /URL, close curly brackets. Now the word privacy policy is displayed as a link, and at the bottom, you enter the URL address that leads to the privacy policy. When you have finished, save your changes. In the notifications section, you can send instructions, rules of conduct, links or important information directly to your employees as soon as a web chat notification arrives from a visitor using the extension of the request in the team channel setting. If you have several channels where employees overlap, for example, it is always helpful to enter channel-specific information. Under Display Disconnections, you can set whether the information should be displayed or not. In the Inactivity Response section, you can make settings according automatic messages that can be sent if an employee does not reply within the specified time. Simply activate the checkbox. Here you enter the time in seconds after a customer has written and not received a message. After the delay has expired, the automatic message is sent. Below you can write the following message as an example. Unfortunately, our reply is delayed. Please leave us a message with your contact details. We will get back to you as soon as possible. And of course, don't forget to save. If you still have questions about how to customize the web chat, please watch this video.